Allow me to introduce myself. My name is BenThru, B to the T-A. BenThruAlot. The name speaks to the days when Dave's little babe was caught up in a haze. It's not just the name, it's a way of life. The minute I get admitted, commit, I have to admit, transmit as I spit, if you would permit. Knitted words on fabric, call it drip, I need a moment. Momentum. Yo, keys. Get it? Significant shine. Check the rhyme. Introductions to commune. God's work came to view as I try to carefully orchestrate this hip-hop tune. Embrace fears, appreciate life's cheers. A smile from a frown. Palayashi sad clown, telling stories with sound. Stay rooted ground. Inspiration is found. Really a kid let down. A face with a Burger King crown. Daddy, here's your delicate strokes of her cheek as I rise to my feet. A sense of weightlessness retreats as my heart starts to beat. I recycle, I repeat. Take that line as heartbeat. Chop the sample, mince meat. Write words on a sheet. Immediately felt like I'm sending a tweet. Take flight, parakeet. Lay out a verse to complete. Call it spreadsheet. To excel, there's no cell, no box to contain. Icebox melted pain as our eyes guide the way. A face of perfection, a mixed ethnic complexion. Curled hair, my vote's in. Winning candidate, my heart's election. True inspiration, divine moment of creation. Working all 6, rest 7, then I drift. Working all 6, rest 7, then I drift.
And now deep like the words of my breath, I never sleep.